Whenever you create a new workbook, I would recommend you to save the file. Select a location and a good name for the Excel file and save it. First, it will be a save as by default. It will let you select the destination for the file, and after that, control as or save will just keep on saving the new data on the previous location file. Okay, once you have saved the file, you are ready to make changes to the worksheet. Let's just begin by entering a first data to the Excel workbook. Select cell, any cell you want to enter data, say cell A1. Click on the formula bar and type a sentence. I am enjoying Excel and press enter, and the cell A1 just stores the data you just entered. The other option is you can just select the cell on which you want to enter an entry or data, and rather than clicking on the formula bar, just type it there, say 56, and enter. Now the cell A1 has the data I am enjoying Excel, which is a string. Yeah, that's the data type. I'll let you know a little while afterwards, but let's just move on for now. The cell A2 has the numerical data, that's the data type integer, and it's 56. You can see if I type here hi, the alphabets for now are aligned to the left of the cell, and the numbers now are aligned to the right of the cell, which is pretty helpful to distinguish between the data types, and that is what Excel helps us with. Later on, we'll be learning how to align the data with by customized by our personal preference, but the default is that the alphabets are aligned to the left of the cell and the numbers are aligned to the right of the cell. Once you have entered data to a cell, next up is editing data to a cell which already contains a data. Say I want to change the data stored in cell A3. Just simply click and activate the cell A3. Once the cell A3 is activated, simply type the new data, say new data, and press enter. You see, you didn't have had to erase the previous data, you just selected the cell A3, the cell you wanted to change the data, and simply began by typing the new data. But what if you want to edit the data? Say in cell A1, I want to type I want to edit the sentence I am enjoying Excel to. I will always enjoy Excel. To do that, I want you to double click on the cell you want to edit data. You see there is a blinking, I don't know what is called, that is a blinking pointer on the cell A1 that shows that now you are reading the cell data as a text. Now I will always enjoy Excel. Now once you have edited your data, I want you to press enter anywhere in the cell. Now you can clearly observe that the data has been edited. The cell A3 showed us how to change the data, the cell A1 showed us how to edit the data. That is it. We have learned how to change the data, how to enter a data, how to edit a data. Next up is formatting the data.